Recitification.
Closer.
Recitification? Recitification. What is your word? My name is Justin Piñon, and people call me the mental assassin because of my ability to read minds. Mahaba, architectural term. I'm not sure kung tama ako, sabihin mo lang kung close or hindi. Am I right in saying that you are thinking of recitification?
Closer.
Recitification? Recitification. What is your word?
Rectification.
Rectifications, okay. Oh, close! Close! Nice. Alam mo, parang gusto ko isa pa. Hindi ako papayag na hindi ko nahula. Parang nagsisisi na ako na siya yung kinuha ko. Think of the first letter. A. Is this two words? Is this another architectural term? Yung pagkasabi mo parang tapos na. Think of the second word. B. First word, isipin mo yung first word. Say it in your head. Mabilis lang, maiksi lang. 2 letters? Sige nga, isipin mo tong word na to in your head. As built. Yes! Ang hirap nun, ha?